Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is open position, and I'm referring to stocks that have options, and there's an open option position on that stock. What's an open position? That's where a market maker has issued a contract that's open for, say, your stock's $10 and you own it, and you go buy a $15 call option. You buy one call option for 100 shares. You now have an open position. Now, the underlying market maker will report the number of open positions they have. This is a good way of judging the activity taking place in option contracts. Now, open position can be used for other terms, but today we're talking about stock options. Open positions, whether they're short, meaning you own puts, you think the stock is going down, calls, you own calls, you think the stock's going up, or any other combination of any other option position. Today's word is open position, an important indicator of how many contracts have been issued against that underlying stock at a specific price.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.